Alright, let me go catch up with these knuckleheads. High-tech redneck here, Chris. We are back in a cove. And, hold on a second. Just came over here to see. I thought this may have been a bridge or something, and that looks like a fireplace from way back when. Sitting here looking at all these little crappie and bass. I need to go fishing. Cool. Alright, let me turn this thing around. So my cousin Stephanie, she took me back here, and Cypress, as a rule, they're not native really to Tennessee, but here they are in the water. How beautiful. Very nice. All right. Back here in the cove. Okay. I'm out here on the kayak, trying to keep up with Navy SEAL Stephanie, my cousin, who took me way the heck out here, and we're supposed to be meeting up with some people. I'm taking a break. I just ate mine. Red-tailed hawk that got adopted. Yes.
This is JD. He's our barred owl. He doesn't eat out of the hand, so we usually just put him right here. We fed the other two birds, but we have not fed Bella just yet, and she puts on a show. So if y'all want
we
to
were
go.
here one time, and an intern was here, blonde-headed girl, and they all kind of upset with her, and he crossed the creek there. They just sit over there, and you look through binoculars. Or
I'm trying to get a good.
You'll make them out through the leaves, or through. Sometime after
They got hit by a car, and they've had it for years, and they adopted it. Yes, you're so beautiful. She's looking at me. Her name's Bella.
So
And this
we
is,
feed them pretty good, so we don't want to overfeed them.
Yeah.
Barred owl. And he's only got one wing.
They're
Hey.
Yeah, she's
Oh, there's not two anymore?
just one.
Oh, okay.
But it's the gray one, and she sits in that box.
Munchy, munchy.
She'll come out at night, but in the day she's pretty.
He knows, or she knows what's up. All right, let me put this on pause. Maybe we'll get some blood.
Nice to see you too, Bella.
I'm gonna take a picture too.
She sometimes will take it a little early, preemptive.
Golly, I hear you.
But yeah, this is Bella. She's our red-tailed hawk.
Wow.
My phone must be in Mama's van.
She's been a little bit, I don't know, she's been a little bit weird with eating out of my hand recently, but she's gotten over it.
Well, I don't know where my phone's at. You'll have to take a picture, Chris, and send it to me.
Mmm. Tastes like chicken. Outstanding.
She says, I'm hungry after my fasting day.
Oh yeah, she has an attitude about it too. Used to be if she didn't get fed first, she would let you know she didn't like that.
Oh,
Jump on your shoulders and stuff like that. I've never had that happen.
Wow.
She's
Yeah,
hungry after her fasting day.
That beak, it's like a hook. It just tears the guts and everything else, whatever else comes out of it.
Okay, to my YouTube subscribers, this is PG-13. Tell your kids to leave the room. There's blood, guts. Awesome.
I said, I'm trying to get it
Petting zoo.
on away from the fence.
Daddy, he's doing a film.
Yeah, y'all can talk.
Look, here's a bunch of bones and things, fossils. Please touch
And down the road there, where they built that new bridge, that little pond over on the left, There used to be black meat down there, but I ain't seen them in a long time.
A snake?
Corn snake.
He's probably in his little hooch.
It must be in there.
Or they just fed him.
Oh, look, there's his skin, where I shed the skin.
His name is Jeff.
There was one
Corn snakes in there somewhere.
big old garter snake that shed out there in my shop every year.
Oh, that's a cool fossil.
Didn't shed this year, so I don't know where he's at.
What do y'all
Please
think
touch.
that was? Think it was a...
Axe or something? Some type of a...
That's just a piece of shell.
That was an Indian's axe.
Use your imagination, Daddy.
No arrowheads?
We found real.
We're at the Welcome Center, by the way.
That's a piece of shell.
Oh, that was cool.
I'm gonna walk over here and
So
go.
Alright.
Be careful there, huh?
Look, that's probably a bullet.
If y'all go in to look at the bees, just go in.
My neighbor got about 50 hives. He's part of them on our farm.
Oh, is that right?
Poison honey. Got a lot of poison honey.
Big old fat copperhead.
Honey, we lost something.
Y'all stay here.
Ooh, black widow.
He usually has a motor in me, but it's my motor is put.
Bees. Are we not supposed to mess with them?
Let me do some checking.
Just go. She said to go back out the sink door, but she's mopping over.
Okay.
See, here they did have amphibians, like little frogs and stuff, but I don't know why.
Look this way. Let me get some light. Alright, you're doing good. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Well, there's too much glare.
Well, I just had to get my air conditioner.
I think you just gotta tap on
They fixed it and then they had to come back for something else.
Back in here. I guess the bees do not touch.
And the red ear slider.
Are those animatronics or are they real?
The red ear has spots on its belly, the yellow belly is solid yellow.
Just ain't no way to run a duck in the overhead.
See, the red pond sliders.
Like what they have out here in the bathhouse.
Here's what's in the river.
PTAC unit.
We had one in the bedroom. Sitting on the floor with the feet. When the air conditioner.
So Stephanie tells me this is where they rappel, but they won't let us up here. This place is about to close and they're giving us special access because I'm a YouTube sensation. That's right. Look how well I'm doing. They're all laughing at me. Who doesn't? Lost Creek Trail. Wow, what a beautiful place. Cool.
There's actually an eagle's nest if you're going back towards Winchester after you pass Fairview. Yeah. 2 roads down is Griffin Springs subdivision. Yeah. And across the road from that road that goes to Griffin Springs is an eagle's nest. They say you see them out there early in the morning, late afternoon.
It's a replica, but that's about right. I watched the Fobi Cam on YouTube of those eagles live feed. Amazing builders. So this is Camp Gypsy on the Elk River, a peaceful rustic vacation destination. And that's where everybody used to go. Look at that. That's what this place used to look like. Crazy. That's good. So we're at Tim's Ford, and all of these communities were flooded out to make Tim's Ford, right? Al Hollow, AWOL. Now, go ahead. Tell us the story now about the watermelon girl here.
It tells about in Al Hall there was a swimming hole for the kids of Winchester, and when after they got done swimming, they would go to this watermelon patch, And this is a picture of the woman. It was her daddy's watermelon patch.
And they could go out there and get one for free, or he'd give them one.
They'd go get one. Mm-hmm.
But all these communities are underwater now. Well,
It said he really didn't care. It was her telling. It was an interview.
oh, okay.
This is tells about whenever they did the TVA, you know, talking
Right.
about getting the papers, getting it taken care of, and when it first flooded.
And these aren't the only communities in Tennessee by the TVA that, I mean, the whole town they're underwater now. But it was to bring power to the people back here. You got to understand what was going on.
There's when it was being constructed.
And there's, look at that. That's crazy.
These are just various pictures donated by people from the communities.
I'd rather have flatheads than blue channel. We all take you.
Wow. Another time.
Blubber on their belly.
There's a swimming hole.
I've got to clean them.
I'd like to walk in your front door and have him looking at you.
Get blood out of it.
Oh, yeah.
Bucky Beaver.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, look at the size of that perch.
It's been a couple years ago.
Some people do that, but I'm not a snake person.
I'm not either, but
Yeah.
I got talked into touching it.
That one is
That's all right.
out on the corner snake.
All right, red tech, high tech redneck. We're out of here. Wow, chomp chomp.
Red tail. That's how they get the